Scleroderma Awareness Month ang buwan ng Hulyo sa Canada, isang rare autoimmune disease kung saan apektado ang connective tissues at nagreresulta sa pagtigas ng balat.
Scleroderma is one of the top autoimmune conditions with the highest mortality rate, unfortunately, and symptoms can vary greatly.
19 gulang na ma-diagnose na may scleroderma si Cecil Soriano. May dalawang uri raw nito. Limited scleroderma na makikita lang sa pagtigas o pag-aligasgas ng balat sa iba't ibang bahagi, gaya ng braso, dibdib, likod at mukha. At diffused scleroderma, na gaya ng kay Soriano kung saan apektado di lang ang balat, kundi pati na rin ang ilang vital internal organs gaya ng puso't baga.
I was stable for about 8 years after diagnosis, but then in 2020, or I guess 2018, things started to go downhill for me, and I ended up having a double lung transplant at 28 years old in 2020.
Malaki raw ang pasasalamat niya't naagapan ng kondisyon dahil nakahanap daw agad siya ng espesyalistang well-researched ukol dito at nasiyasat raw agad ang kanyang skin sample.
I noticed my first symptoms while I was on vacation, backpacking through Europe. I had quite scaly, thick skin on my chest and on my arms. I thought it was dry skin at first, but unfortunately when I went to the dermatologist, they did tell me that it was something more serious than that.
Di raw matumbok ang sanhi nito, pero ani Soriano, pansin niyang lumulubha ang mga sintomas pag stressed siya.
The more stressed I am, the more chances there are of me having a flare-up of my symptoms. So managing stress is very important, especially with any autoimmune condition that you have.
Mainam daw ang balansing pagkain, wastong ehersisyo gaya ng paglalakad, yoga at biking, at pag-iwas sa matataong lugar. Ilan yan sa mga paraang ginagawa ni Soriano para makaiwas sa flare-ups. Nagpapatherapy rin daw siya pag may mga bagay na bumabagabag sa kanya. Nakatulong din daw sa kanyang pagsali sa komunidad ng Scleroderma of BC kung saan siya na ang presidente ngayon.
I really want to do my part to bring awareness to this disease, how it affects people's lives, and doing whatever I can to really help and get research going to find us a cure.
Anya sa British Columbia, tuloy-tuloy daw ang pagsasaliksik ng mga dalubhasa sa St. Paul Hospital para sa scleroderma. Ang pagkakaroon ng chronic illness, nagturo rin daw sa kanyang tutukan ng mga bagay na mahalaga sa kanya.
I know the value of time, and I know the value of doing things I love and enjoy and spending time with my family, because I think nobody really realizes how much time they have left, and it gives you really great perspective on how you want to live your life.
Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Vancouver.